Under 4 minutes, I will show you how to use Claude Code for free. The first thing that you have to do is go to this website. The link will be in the description, and all the links and all the commands will be provided over here, so no need to worry. The first thing that we will be doing is installing UV. As you can see, the first step is to install UV, and for the command, if you are using Mac or Linux, you will copy this command over here, and if you are using Windows, you will copy this command over here. And since I am using Window, I will copy it. If you are on Window, just go to PowerShell. Once you are on PowerShell, just paste the command, press enter. Once everything is installed, next step is to install Python. Copy this, paste it, and press enter. Python is already installed. Now for the step 3, just copy the command, return to PowerShell, paste it over here, press enter. I am getting this message. You will have to wait for some time in your case. Step 4 is to open this NVIDIA Nim folder in your desired code editor. Once you are on the VS Code, and now we will have to duplicate the env example, you just have to copy this, Ctrl V, press F2, and you will be able to rename it. The next step is to register NVIDIA Nim. The link will be in the description, and you just have to log in over here. There is one issue that you might face, which I also faced. So instead of the verify button, you will get a contact support button. If you are getting that button, only solution is to recreate the account using another Gmail. Once everything is done, for the next step, you will be choosing a model that you will be using. Once you are on this model section, you just have to filter it, free endpoints, and apply the filter. Let's just go with GLM 4.7 or whatever it is. Click on view code, and over here you will see this model name. You just have to copy it, and we will return back to our .env file. Over here you will see this model name, NVIDIA underscore name slash. After that, you have to paste the model name that you have copied. We will paste it over here. You just have to generate an API key and generate key. You have to copy it. You will return back to this .env file, and over here you will see NVIDIA Nim API key. Paste it over here. Now we will move on to the next step. Step 9. For this step, you will have to run NVIDIA Nim through UV, and for this we will copy it. Once you are here, press enter. Once you get this message, that keep in mind that if you want to use Claude Code, you don't have to stop it. If you stop it, then it won't work. The next step is to install Claude Code in our device. Copy it. If you are not sure where I am getting this command from, you can go to the official site of Claude Code. You will find the command which is suitable for your device. Pop it. You will return to the PowerShell. You just have to create another tab, paste the command, and press enter. Once the Claude Code is installed, we will move forward. Now we will run Claude Code. So if you are on Mac or Linux, you will copy this command. Otherwise, if you are on Windows like me, just copy this command and return to the PowerShell and paste it over here. Once you are over here, you can choose any mode and press enter. Again enter, press enter. Now Claude Code is on your device. If you have reached in this part, then let's test whether this is working or not. Let's see. As you can see, we have received the message and it is working. And there is one important tip that I would like to give you, that if for some reason the response is coming late, the problem is that a lot of people might be using the same model. So you just have to choose another model for your Claude Code if you are experiencing delayed response or anything like that.